Hi guys, in today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how you can add the review section on your Shopify. This is going to be a quick and easy tutorial. I'm going to be showing you how you can do this in a few seconds. Okay, so first thing you need to do, guys, you want to log into your Shopify dashboard and you want to click on settings at the very bottom left. And then you want to click on apps and sales channels, and then you want to click on Shopify App Store in the top right. Okay, so here after that, what you guys need to do is you want to search for an app that will help you add the reviews to your products on Shopify, or help you add review sections so that you can let people add the reviews when they receive the product. And also you can add your own reviews from platforms like AliExpress and other platforms like Amazon. I'm going to be showing you how you can do that in a few seconds. Okay, before we start, I would highly appreciate if you can drop a like on this tutorial. That would be highly appreciated. And let's get started right now. Okay, first thing you need to do, guys, you want to search here for reviews. Okay, you want to search for reviews. Sorry, I didn't really say reviews. Okay, and you will find a lot of apps that will help you import reviews from other platforms to your own Shopify products. Okay, or this app again will help you add reviews from your own customers. There will be like a review section where your customers will be able to add the reviews. Okay, so the review app I like the most, it's called AliExpress reviews. Just click on the app. Okay, you can search for this directly. Just click on search for AliExpress reviews and you will be able to see the app in the top, as you can see here. Click on it and this is exactly what you need to do. You want to click on install. Now, after, guys, you click on install, you want to just confirm, just click again on install. Like I said, there are a lot of apps. I just like to use this app because it has like a free plan. Okay, because most apps, they don't really have a free plan. They all like have like a free trial, like 7 days trial, free trial. After that you will have to pay, but this app offers you guys the basic plan, which is free. As you can see, click on sign up for free, and that's exactly how you can do this. Click on this X. I will show you guys how you can use the app. Okay, now here you want to click on manage reviews. Okay, so here you will find all your Shopify products. Okay, here as you can see, in my case I only have like 2 products because I just use the Shopify store for testing. Okay, so as you can see, we have now 2 products. Now let's say that I want to add a reviews section to this product. As you can see here, you just need to click on import reviews. Okay, after, guys, you click on import reviews, you can either import reviews from AliExpress or you can import reviews from Amazon. Okay, I'm going to be showing you how you can do this. You want to go to AliExpress. Even if you don't import this product from AliExpress, doesn't really matter. You just need to search for a product that looks similar as your product. Okay, so I'm going to click here, I'm going to search for the product and I'm going to click on enter. Okay, so this product, as you can see here, okay, so I'm going to search here for a product that is similar to my product right now. Okay, in my case, this is the product. Now, after you click, guys, on the product, make sure it has some reviews. Now, in this case, this product has only like 6 reviews, which is good. Okay, not bad at all. I am going to add these reviews to my own Shopify product page. Okay, so what you need to do, you just need to copy the AliExpress title. I'm sorry, you want to copy the AliExpress URL in the top. After you click on the product page on AliExpress, you want to click on copy. Just copy the whole URL in the top, and then you want to go back here. Now, if it's AliExpress, you want to select here AliExpress. If you are importing reviews from Amazon, you can select here Amazon. In my case, I am importing reviews from AliExpress. Right click, click on paste. Now you have added here the URL. You can also select here the number of reviews that you want to import to your own Shopify product. Okay, in my case, I'm only going to import 5 products because this product has only 6 reviews. So even if I entered here 10 reviews, I will not be able to import 10 reviews because the product itself doesn't have 10 reviews, as you can see. Okay, so you can also click here on country if you want to import reviews from a specific country like United States or stuff like that. You can also change this to, for example, should have images. As you can see, the reviews should have images such like your customers on Shopify will be able to see the images of the product. Like I said, you will have to search for on AliExpress for the exact same product. Okay, you can also search for it on Amazon if you want. Now, after that, you want to click on import. Okay, as you can see, the product import request submitted. Now we have imported the reviews. Okay, so what you guys need to do next, easy. You want to go to your own online store. Here it says here online store, click on it. Okay, so after guys you click on online store, you want to click on customize. Now after that guys, you want to click on homepage and you want to click on products, click on default product. And now you want to find here I'm going to show you guys exactly how you can do this. Now I'm going to click here on change and I'm going to select the product that I want to add review section to. Okay, so as you can see where it says templates, you want to click on add section and you want to click on apps and you want to then select here AliExpress product widget and then click again on add section, click on AliExpress collection, again add section, AliExpress title star, that's it, and then click on save. Okay, now what you guys need to do, you want to go to the product. Now you have successfully added the review section to your own Shopify store. You want to go now to your product and see if the reviews appear inside the product page or not. Okay, so I'm going to go to the product right now. Now as you can see, I have successfully added the reviews to my own Shopify store. Also, customers will be able to write a review after they receive their order. If they click on write review, they can then enter their name here, their email, and then their comment about your products. Now, if you want to learn more about Shopify, for example, if you want to add this widget here where it says 26 customers are viewing this product right now, click the video in the screen right now and you will be able to learn how you can do this. It's very easy, no app required, you don't have to download any app. Make sure to drop a like on this tutorial. If you find value in this tutorial, drop a like and see you guys in the next tutorial.